Invited Jaswanth, who is working as a product analyst at Go Online Learning. So I'm going to ask about his struggles and his mistakes, his journey, and as well as end of the video, I'm going to share his resume. So make sure to watch full video and comment down whatever the thoughts you are having. So in the comment section, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So, Jeshwant, please introduce yourself to the audience. So, we will go ahead with the questions.
Hi everyone, my name is Jaswanth. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in 2024. After my BTech, I am preparing for data science roles. In last year, 2025, I got the job in as a product analyst at Go Online, and also I mentor on TopMate in the data science domain.
Mm-hmm.
It's my
Nice. So, when did you completed graduation, Jeshwant?
in 2024 year.
Okay, okay, nice. So, so please let me know. I mean, how did you get the job and what was the struggles you have faced?
So in last year May, I have completed my all my skills which in data science and data analytics, and in the May month I started applying for the companies
Mm-hmm.
on by using Naukri, LinkedIn, on some referrals, and in September I got my first job as a product analyst, and it go online. uh, this is my first job.
Okay, okay. Last year, September. I mean, how many
Yeah.
months? How many months is took
uh,
to you
May
complete
to,
all learning skills?
huh?
How many months has been taken to complete learning all the skills?
It takes 6 months of time.
Okay,
5 to 6.
okay, 6 months. Okay. So how did you get your first job? Through LinkedIn or Naukri?
In LinkedIn I got.
Okay, I mean, just like everybody is going to apply like as usual, you have applied for that, or is there somebody is going to reach out to you?
I got a referral in LinkedIn
Hmm.
at at my current company.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you ask the referral from this
Yeah.
whatever the company you are working right now, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay. So what are the rounds you have done during your this
I
as a
did I did Excel, SQL, and HR rounds. Total 3 rounds I did.
okay, okay. I mean, so the requirement is SQL, Excel, and HR. I mean, these are the two tools
Power
you are.
BI. Yeah, Power BI somewhat.
Okay, okay, okay. So in the first round, so what kind of questions they were asked you, and will you be able to answer those questions? Was you able to answer those questions?
The questions are like VLOOKUPs and index matching, and some pivoting, and some formulas in Excel. If conditions,
Mm-hmm.
and some count, some aggregation functions is like
Mm-hmm.
uh, those type of questions I ask, and some reporting questions, and dashboarding, some charts in
Mm-hmm.
Excel.
Okay, this is only first round of Excel interview, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then followed by next round is SQL.
SQL and Power BI, both they are included.
Okay, two technical rounds, one HR round as a
Yes.
fresher.
Yeah.
They were taken.
Yes.
Okay, in SQL, what kind of questions they were asked? Could you please able to give me one scenario question?
Yeah. I will. They ask the joins concept and case statements on window functions are like rank, dense rank, and row number, lag, leak, and subqueries, and aggregation functions, store processes like this. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
in
Okay,
Power BI, asked about some charts which are using for trend analysis, and relationships, and some ETL concepts, and data warehousing concepts like fact table versus dimension tables,
mm-hmm.
and import mode and query mode. On these questions they ask, and some dash functions are
Okay,
time functions.
okay. Will they ask you about your projects, whatever the projects you have
Projects
implemented?
also they have asked for. I did retail projects only, like Flipkart, Amazon, and one food delivery company like Zomato. I did. These projects in Excel and Power BI, and as well as SQL.
Okay, you have done three projects on top of three tools, right?
Yeah.
Which are related domain.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So, for example, have you done integration of multiple tools on top of these projects, or just individual tools you have done the projects?
In individual tools only I have used.
Okay, you have done the projects,
Yeah.
right? Okay, nice. So, okay, so you have completed three rounds. First is the Excel round, then is the SQL and Power BI round, then followed by HR round, right? So,
Yes.
HR round, what kind of questions do you one a guy can expect?
Like it's totally depend upon the company. Like at my company, they asked how you handle the pressure when deadlines are okay, and my strengths and weaknesses, and about my role. If you if you got emergency call from another one, what you did, what will make about your work. If you assign the work by other people, or you only do like that, they ask for some random questions.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Just wait, bro. Okay, okay. So, so you got the referral from this Go Online in company, right? As a fresher.
Yeah. Yes.
So, how did you reach out the folks who are working into this Go Online institution? I mean, organization.
Through emails and LinkedIn messages. I think people who are working in the company, employees and managers.
Through emails, you reached out the folks, right?
Yes, sir. Through emails and also LinkedIn messages,
Okay. How did?
messages, messages, DMs.
Okay. Through DMs as well as through email IDs, you have reached out the folks who are working into that particular organization.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Okay. How did you get the their email ID?
In the descriptions, in LinkedIn, you can see the contact info. In there, you can find out the emails.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So you just we have to go to the LinkedIn, then we have to figure it out only contact info where you will
Yeah.
be able to figure it out their email IDs, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay. Have you given any interviews before uh get this job?
Yes, I given one company, Australian company. It is an join orders.
Mm-hmm.
In month of I think August, I think.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. So what was the mistakes you made during the these rounds before getting this job?
firstly, I would say not strong in fundamentals on SQL, on which tools are using for data analytics. So after that, I did a lot of practice on the tools, and I make it the strong on fundamentals only before jumping into the advanced concept. So after that, I prepare my resume based on the JD on the role, and after that, I ask you some referrals as well. Before that, I'm applying the companies randomly, which are getting on Naukri and LinkedIn. After that, it is said it will not work, and I use it to ask doing referrals and emails as well. After that, so these are the mistake I did, and after that, I have recovered all those things at the end of the thing.
Okay. So like you're not aware about the basics of SQL, right? Standardization, like
Starting, yes,
yes. So then followed by the job description as well as the every job description you are going to try to make the resume as per every job description and not reaching out the random job opportunities, right?
yes,
These are the strategies you have implemented.
yes.
Okay. So for example, if somebody as a fresher want to get into the job uh, as a data analyst or product analyst, so how one can pro in SQL? What kind of strategies you have implemented to get to
So
know more about the SQL, like practicing like stuff like that?
firstly, they have to understand the fundamentals correctly. Okay, so don't. Some people are going advanced things at the starting stage. They're doing the problems in lead code, so it will make the effect on the journey. So firstly, they have to make the strong and fundamentals on each concept, basics concept like aggregation functions and a group by having. What's the difference between group by having and what purposes that are using, and on the case statement CTE. So they have to make the fundamentals strongly. Then after they have to do some problems on that on those concepts, basics concepts. By
Mm-hmm.
using any ChatGPT, you can use by using the ChatGPT, you can solve those questions by each concept. 40 to 50 is enough on each concept. 40 to 50 problems is enough for the to get strong on those concepts. After that, they have to go any online platforms to like skill to hacker rank. They have to solve some problems. So between 40 to 50 is enough on the hacker rank and skill to. Then after that, they can go intermediate level in Data Analyst is a platform where you can solve the skill problems and then finally they have to go state code platform.
Mm-hmm.
This journey is enough. This strategy is enough for the person who want to learn the sequel.
Mm-hmm.
I did the same thing only, so it will definitely help those people as well for freshers.
Okay. How did you select, for example, somebody is going to ask you these questions, like interview questions. How did you figure it out? Those questions to practice.
As I said, the platforms like HackerRank, Skill2, and Ankit Bansal channels are, I mean, Thomas Day Skill channel. So they have so many problems. We can find out those problems and we have to do according to our strengths from basics to advanced internet.
Okay, you followed Ankit Bansali search channel, right?
Yes, sir. On some HackerRank, Lead Code, and
Mm-hmm.
Data Kumar as well.
Okay. So you said, right, they were asked about the questions on top of your projects. What kind of questions they were asked on top of your projects? Somebody is going to expect.
So like in like wait in my project I have used what type of skills and what concept I have implemented and what is the outcome of the project and where you how would you explain this project to others on some key points on some business questions as well. Suppose if north regions are getting the more sales and what is the reason for that one, like these questions they have asked and some theoretical questions on SQL also, which I use it the concepts like joint concept,
Mm-hmm.
Power BI.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So for they are going to ask you only top up whatever the problems you have solved on top of projects, right?
Yes, sir. And some business scenarios as well in that domain.
Okay. Business scenarios means, for example, give me one example.
Like why north regions are getting the more sales, why the south regions are getting the low sales. So what happened to the south region? Any problem is happening like that?
Mm-hmm.
Like late or delivery lating and also less customers ordering that product and also uh, high rates like that.
Okay, okay. So you practiced to DAX as well?
Yeah, somewhat I have practiced, but I'm not that much expert on the
Mm-hmm.
basic kind.
So how did you practice DAX if someone is going to follow you?
You can use any tools like ChatGPT. You can ask the some functions on that, and also I followed on YouTube channel like Shashank Singh's YouTube
Mm-hmm.
channel. I followed.
Nice, nice. Okay, nice. So, okay. So, for example, so someone can, as a fresher, if someone is after getting the job, how much salary they can expect in the particular range I'm talking about?
So for freshers, startups they can expect startups and MNCs they can expect around 5 to 7. Product based companies they can expect 11, 12.
Okay, okay, okay. So people are nowadays going to talk about, as per the job description, you have to get the, I mean, you if you want to get the call, you have to definitely make the resume as per job description, right? So,
Yes.
but people not aware about the key skills. What kind of key skills you have added into your resume?
So in my resume, I have added. main is SQL. Everyone knows that, but SQL and Excel, Power BI, and ETL concepts and data warehousing, and Python, Databricks, machine learning. Also, it is extra skills for data analytics. For familiar only, I have kept that those things, and some business related skills like stakeholder management, communications, and presentations.
Mm-hmm.
Those skills I have.
Okay. So what is after getting your job as a fresher? So what is your daily work? What kind of work you are doing at your company currently?
So daily they assign me some task to me on my product. So they share some reports on me. I need to work on that one, and I need to give it to the my departments, and I need to do some problem solving on that one by using the SQL. And also I will after getting the result in the SQL, I need to match those results in the Power BI and Excel also. If the both results are same as well, and I need to report to my manager.
Okay, can you give me one example so that everybody can understand?
Like data.
Yeah, whatever the work you are doing currently, just give me one example so that everybody can relate it, understand.
So daily after that, after coming to the office, uh, I'll get some tasks from my manager and the TLs, and I get some data from them, so which I need to work, and I will import that into the SQL. I am using MS SQL for that one. So after loading the data, they give some tasks on the problems. I get some problems as well. So I use in some concepts like joins. If they are more than two or more tables, I will use a joins on that one. But I combine those tables by using the primary key and foreign key. So after solving those things, I will share that report to my manager, and also I will do in Excel also I will do the same problems if the both results are matching or not. So these are the things I will do, and
What about Power BI? You haven't done any work on Power BI?
till they're not assigned,
Okay, okay. Just you are working only a SQL and as well as Excel. Just comparing, validating the numbers, right?
validating the result, and
Mm-hmm.
also backend things also I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what kind of problem statement they are going to ask you? For example, general information so that everybody can relate it. So, can you give me
So
one example?
like differences if I can say very basic example. Last month sales has been increased. This month sales has been decreased. What is the reason? So I need to find out the things, and in which regions the things are getting down. So what happened? Uh, what happened those reviews, and any issue on our platform. I will checking those things, and I will connect with my front and back end teams. Any issue on the in our platform. While customers entering, these are
Mm-hmm.
the things. If I can say basically.
Okay. As a fresher, what kind of major mistakes you have done apart from job description you have applied or anything? Whatever the mistakes you have done as a fresher, just what advice would you like to give the fresher to not do those mistakes?
So first one is many people are learning the skills. That is true, but they don't showcase their skills on their platforms like LinkedIn. So I better to say that use a LinkedIn daily or day by day. Showcase your skills, what you're learning, and what problems you're solving on SQL Power BI. Just to showcase on LinkedIn and post daily one post or day by day. It would be better to get the more profile views, and also to build our own network as well to the people who are working in the industry. So I'll give the advice this for first one, this one.
Mhm.
So second one is when you're applying to the companies, apply, keep your resume according to the JD and the role, which is in the job description for the company. So third one is make the fundamentals strongly. Without fundamentals, you can't achieve the things on the tools. And they mostly at the starting questions they mostly ask fundamentals only. After that, they went to the intermediate level and the advanced level. So don't go directly to the advanced things. Make your fundamentals strong before going to the any other tools.
Mm-hmm.
Last one is many people are applying through LinkedIn, Naukri, and other platforms as well. But it is an old trend only. But in 2021, this is a highlighted trend. But now in 2026, it is not correct because so many people are applying through. Most of the people are applying to those platforms only. I suggest you to go with some referrals as well. It will make you get the job fastly. So and also you can use some emails as well by searching on LinkedIn.
Okay. Okay. So, for example, you ask the referral for getting this first job, right? So, for example, if you're not getting response, so how you are going to approach those folks? Do you have any strategies for this?
In my current company or any other company.
Any other company, generally I'm asking about this. For example, if people are going to reach out for the referrals, but somebody is not going to get the response from the that particular folks who are working into that organization, in that case, do you have any strategies to
Yeah.
get response from that person?
Yes, in the starting, I didn't get any response from from the peoples, and some people are replying, but some people are not replying. People who are not replying, I have checked that they have active or not by seeing the reactions on another profile posts. And also, people comments on another profile post, and so if they're active means I will send the follow message also after 4 days or 5 days, which I messaged for firstly. So at the time I got the replies from them. Again I didn't get also I will send another follow message after 4 to 5 days. After that also if they don't reply, I leave them. And also I will send the same message from some other people who are active on LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. First, you have to engage with their post, right? Like meaningfully, so
Yes,
that
meaningful I will engage, and they will recognize me. So after that, I will send messages to them.
okay. So okay, before reaching out a couple of days before, you're going to engage with them, their post meaningfully, so that you can ask for the referral. This is the
Yes,
main strategy you have implemented.
yes, true.
Exactly. So, and one more thing. So, for example, if you want to start from the zero again, so what kind of things you are going to implement to get the as a fresher job again if you want to start from the zero?
Okay. Firstly, I will optimize my LinkedIn profile before starting my skills because it's a platform where you can get the good network from the industry people. So I'll optimize and I'll keep each section on LinkedIn. After that, I'll start learning the tools like Excel. First, I will learn the Excel because it is important for the every people who are working data science and data analytics and also any other domains. And after that, after learning the Excel, I will solve some problems also top on it on some projects as well. After that, I will go to the SQL. I will do the same thing in SQL also by making the strong fundamentals and also by doing some problems on each concept and also by using the uh, and also by solving the problems on HackerRank, Lead Code, and some random problems which you are seeing on LinkedIn and any other social media like Instagram. So I do some projects as well in that one. So after that, in parallelly, I will post some things on LinkedIn based on my learning journey, so that people who are learning data analytics also they can reach us me. They will help. They ask any help I will do. So these are random things. It will happen. So after that, after learning all the skills, it will take around 4 to 5 months by doing the projects as well. And also and also I'll make my resume. After that, I'll start update to the companies and also I will ask some referrals. and I'll take some mock interviews also to get my skill strengthening. This strategies again. I use.
Okay, you said right. You have practiced on top of Excel as well. So where you have practiced Excel?
Uh, like there's a one platform is there, Excel platform. I don't know name currently,
Mhm.
so I will share you. You can put in description. And also in that platform, I have solved some questions, and also in LinkedIn, I can see some people are posting about the Excel also. They give some Excel sheet on some questions, and also I have solving those things.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So you said right. Like you're going to make the JD and everything like that, and after that you are applying. So, for example, so whatever the learnings you have completed, after learning those learnings, you are going to share on LinkedIn, right? So, do you get any, I mean, any DMs from the recruiters after whatever the learnings you have posted in on LinkedIn?
So I didn't get those things. Well, at earlier, I didn't get.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so nice. And one more question. Do you have any questions? I have done all the questions from my end. If you are having any questions, just try to tell the freshers those helpful for information. Like
Yeah,
whatever they
uh,
have. Yeah.
I told at Teller only. So make the fundamentals strong before going to the any advanced concepts. This is the first thing I can suggest to you. Second part is make LinkedIn profiles and start sharing your posts on your link and also what you're learning. Share the content on LinkedIn, so it will showcase your work efforts also.
Mhm.
And many people will see your work, and if there any openings are on any openings having on the company, they will refer you by seeing your work. So these suggestions is and also JD I told you earlier on.
Mhm. So have you used Naukari profile?
Yes, I use it.
Okay. Did you get the call from over there?
Yeah, I got the call from Nakoi. Line orders. I said no, Australian company.
Ah, yeah, yeah, exactly. So what was the rounds over there as a fresher?
First one is Excel round.
Hmm.
Second one follow the SQL only.
Hmm.
In that, I did some mistakes on that problem solving. They rejected.
Okay. Is that all the interviews, whatever the interviews you have given, walk-in interviews or virtual interviews?
Mostly online only I have given, no work.
Okay, okay, okay. How long does it takes to complete one round of interview?
First law and orders, first round, between first and second round, it will take 10 to 15 days.
Mm-hmm.
Due to the some technical department is busy on the work, so that's why it takes some time.
Okay, okay, okay. So, do you aware about when hirings are peak? Or do you have any months, particular months in that particular months hiring is going to be peak like that stuff?
So in first quarter hirings will good, and also third quarter.
Okay, first quarter means like a January, February, March.
February, March, this quarters are hiring will be good, and also August,
Uh,
September, October, this months.
okay, okay, okay. So you haven't done any projects on top of Python, right?
No,
So you.
partners I did, but not keep it on my resume.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So right now you don't have your resume, right? You have resume in your personal laptop.
Yes, personal laptop.
So could you please able to share me resume so that I can show you resume on top of the screen so that everybody can understand how make the resume as a pressure to get the job.
Yes, definitely I will share to you.
Okay. Okay, Jashwant, and thank you for giving the time and efforts. So thank you so much. All the best for your future, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me as well.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah.